Hi guys, I want to introduce you to a little friend who, like you, is at home doing different activities. His name is Theo. Theo likes to play, walk in the garden, eat, and always follow direction of his parents.
Hello little friends, my name is Theo. I'm a dog, a fox terrier, and I'm 3 years old. I really like humans, especially children. Today I'm at home because of the lockdown. Like you, I suppose. Hello little friends, this is Theo. Remember me? Today I really wanted to show you that I listen to my mom all the time. Sit. Good boy. Philip. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Today I want to show you that I have to eat 3 times per day and I drink a lot of water during the day. My mom puts everything on my plates. And I also love to drink water. Remember to do the same.
Then I'm walking in my garden. I like to smell everything over here, but I have to stay at home, so I play in the garden.